Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? This is going to be another food review. I've actually found this at the store. It is some chips with sriracha and mayo, which is going to be interesting because sriracha on chips and mayo on chips might be really interesting. Might be strong because I tried sriracha on chicken. Does have some spice to it, not a lot, and I think mayo suits it a little bit. I don't think it would be a regular thing, but it's okay, I must admit. I'm sorry for the darkness if I had to do this kind of angle. So I hope you like it. Comment below what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.